Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So, kindly lead us to prayer, Jolibet.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. You continue to guide us and bless us. Amen.
So, how is your day?
Promise.
Okay, so, who is absent today?
None, sir.
Wow, that's nice to hear. Keep it up. So, last meeting, we are done with our topic, nail structure, right?
Yes.
So, now, who among you can give me one example of the part of the nail structure? Yes, Jolibet?
Sir, free edge is the part of the nail that can be filled and shaped.
Very good. So, who else can give another example? Yes, Micheline?
Cuticle, sir.
Mhm.
It is the overlapping epidermis around the nail. It is the transparent skin which is called the true cuticle.
Okay, thank you, Micheline. So, I can say that you still remember our past lesson yesterday. So, before we move to our lesson, I have here prepared a short video clip that you are going to watch. Observe carefully because I will be asking questions about the video later, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, let's watch.
Did you know that the appearance of your nails can give you warning signs of potential underlying health issues? Here are some common nail conditions that could help you decipher what your body is telling you about your health.
Normal nails are usually pink in color with a shiny reflective luster. Changes in the nail colors can be associated with
Watch
certain
carefully.
underlying health as well as nail or skin disorders.
Take note of the
For example,
important
young
details.
discoloration of the nails can be associated with underlying fungal infection of the nail or psoriasis. A green discoloration of the nails is usually caused by a bacterial infection in people with wet hands. Dark discoloration of the nail can be a cause of concern because it may be a sign of an underlying cancer of the nail unit. Changes in nail surface and texture can be telling. For example, dry cracked nails are commonly seen in people with red hands. They can also occasionally be associated with underlying mineral or vitamin deficiency. Separation of the nail plate from the nail bed is also called onycholysis. This is usually due to trauma or manicuring, but it can also be caused by underlying health problems like thyroid disorders. Picking of the nails is usually caused by trauma to the nail surface. However, it can also be caused by certain underlying skin conditions such as psoriasis or alopecia areata. Changes in
So, what have you noticed about the video?
Sir, I think those are nail diseases.
Exactly. So, can you describe the nails from the picture? From the video?
Sir, it has straight one hairs and the other has a black circle, while the other's nail look like the nail of the chicken.
Yes, very good. So, do you have these type of nails? Can you check your nails if you have those type of nails?
None, sir.
Okay, well, if none, I can say that you have a healthy nails. Okay, so we move on to our. So, based from the video, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Sir, nail diseases.
Exactly. So, our lesson for today is all about the different nail diseases and disorders. Okay, can you read?
Nail diseases are conditions of both the nail and the surrounding skin which result from the bacterial, fungal, and viral infection. Some conditions will show a green, yellow, or black discoloration of the nail depending on the nature of the infection.
Yes. So, nail diseases are conditions of both the nail and the surrounding skin which result from bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. So some conditions will show a green, yellow, or black discoloration of the nail, depending on the nature of the infection. So have you experienced black discoloration on your nails before? Okay. So moving on. The main cause for infection is through damaged cuticles and broken skin. So as you can see on the picture, those are the damages that we can get if our nails can be infected. Okay. So given below is a list of the few nail diseases and disorders and their characteristics. So let's move on to the nail diseases. Okay, blue nails. It is bluish in color. Okay, so it may be attributed to poor blood circulation or heart disease. If you have blue nails, it can maybe attributed to poor blood circulation and heart disorder. Okay, you have blue nails on your nails. Okay, so another. Kindly read the next.
Vertical. It is a vertical splitting or separation of the nail plate layer at the distal free edge of the nail plate.
So have you experienced brittle nails before? So we can get brittle nails through the overexposure of using detergent soap or powder or other chemical solvents like acetone. Okay? Overuse of acetone can be cause of brittle nail also. Okay? So, moving on, we have bruised nails. It shows dark purplish, almost black or brown spots in the nail. So, kapag, yan, kapag na-try mo na naipit yung nails mo, kamay mo, okay? So, kapag naiipit or, ayun, yan, we can get a bruised nails, okay?
Yes.
Moving on, we have, kindly read Jolibet.
Eggshell splits. The nail plate separates from the nail bed and curves at the free edge.
Yes. So, this is what an eggshell nails looks like. So, it can may be caused by chronic illness of our nervous region. So, as you can see, the nail plate separates from the nail bed and curves at the free edge. Okay? So, have you ever experienced the kind of nail disease? Okay. Next, we have furrows. These are long ridges that run either lengthwise or across the nail. Some lengthwise ridges are normal in adults. So, look at your nails. Do you see any furrows there? Okay, so it is a white lines, maybe lengthwise or across. So, it can cause by psoriasis, poor circulation, frostbite, and yes, ridges that run across the nail are caused by high fever and pregnancy and measles. Okay, take note of that. So next we have hangnails. Yes, it is very common. It is a condition in which cuticle splits around the nail or what is tawag natin dyan ay sisir. Okay? Have you ever experienced hangnails? Yes. How does it feel when you have hangnails? Masakit. Okay. So, saan ba natin nakukuha ang hangnails? Or, yeah, hangnails. When we cut our cuticles. Okay? So, don't cut your cuticles so that we can prevent hangnails. So, okay. So, moving on, we also have the read Leconichia or white spot.
Leconichia or white spot. White spot appears frequently in the nails.
Yeah, so look at your nails. Can you see white spots there? Okay, so yan. Ito yung mga sinasabi ng ating mga lola at lolo, no, na kapag meron kang ganyan, kapag nahulog or na nawala na sa ating buko ay makakapulot tayo ng pera. That was all a lie. So, it is a nail disease. So, they may be caused by injury to the base of the nail. As the nail continues to grow, these white spots eventually disappear. Kaya, nawawala. Kapag nawala, hindi makakapulot ka ng pera. Okay? Moving on, we have the pterygium. Kindly read, Jolibet.
It is an overgrowth of the cuticle which sticks of the surfaces of nail plate. Carefully remove the adhering growth by means of a cuticle remover.
Yes, so this is a pterygium look like an overgrowth of cuticle which sticks to the surface of nail plate. Okay? So those are the different nail diseases. Okay, so moving on. Let's move on to the nail disorders. Kindly read the first one, Jonathan.
Onychomycosis. It is an infectious disease caused by the vegetable parasite. The onset of the disease takes about 2 or 3 months and the attack is rarely on more than 1 or 2 nails.
So this kind of nail disorder is mostly seen to the vegetable farmers. Okay, so yes, overuse of pesticide also. Okay. So moving on, we have the onychia. It's a term applicable to chronic inflammation of the nail fold and nail bed or matrix. So it results from the introduction of microscopic pathogen through small wounds. So nagsisimula siya sa small wounds. Okay. Moving on, we also have the onychocryptosis. Kindly read, Jolibet.
It is referred to ingrown nails which affect the finger and toenails. It is marked by nail growth into surrounding tissues and may cause infection.
Yeah, so this is most common to us. Okay, when incorrect trimming and shaping of nails are often responsible to for ingrown nails. Okay, so yan yung tsura kapag may ingrown nails tayo. So moving on, we have onychoptosis. It is the periodic shedding of one or more nails, either in the whole or in a part. Okay, kindly check your nails if you have a periodic shedding. No? Okay, so onychoptosis, this condition may be a symptom of more alarm disease such as syphilis. Do you know syphilis? Syphilis is a sakit sa babae. Okay? Usually get through sexual intercourse or the what we so called the STD. Okay? So moving on, kindly read the next one.
Onycholosis. It refers to the detachment of the nail from the bed, starting at its distal and or lateral attachment.
Yes, so the most common cause of onycholosis is psoriasis or skin disease. Okay. We have also the onychogryposis or claw nails. It pertains to extreme thickening curvature of the nails. So those nails look like the nails of the chicken. Okay, so it is usually caused by varying degree of hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is a skin disease in which the skin gets thicker. So as you can see on the picture, okay. Okay, so that concludes our lesson for today. let's have an, do you have any question?
None.
Okay, if not, let's have an activity. So, so match the names of the nail disease and disorder in column A to the pictures in column B. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to finish the activity. Okay, is all clear?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so number 1, blue nails. Match B.
Hi. Shocking.
Uh-huh. How about Leconichia? And the brittle nails? Okay, so how about the onychomicosis? Mhm. Okay, thank you, Julibet. Now, let's check. So, blue nails. Okay, you answered. Okay, correct. Um, Next, the Lecanichia or the white spot. Okay, you got it. The next one is the brittle nails. Mm-hmm. Correct. The fourth one, the onychomicosis. Okay, correct. You got it, right? Next is the furrows. Mm-hmm. The onychoglycosis. Correct. Pterygium. Mm-hmm. Okay, correct. The onychocryptosis, and the last, the eggshell nail. So, you got it all correctly, okay? So, again, what is our topic for today?
Sir, our topic for today is all about nail diseases and disorders.
Very good. So, can you give me one example of nail disease?
Sir, hangnails. It is a condition in which the cuticle is split around the nail.
Yeah, so from that, how can we prevent something like this from happening?
Sir, we can prevent hangnails by simple carefully cutting our cuticle and dry skin.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you think it is important to know these nail disease and disorders?
Sir, it is important to know for us to be able to know if our nails are healthy or not.
Yes, exactly.
Hold on.
So, for your assignment, I want you to make a list of make a list of the different nail diseases and disorders. Write it in on a one whole sheet of paper. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll give you 3 minutes for that. Okay, pass your paper. Now, for your assignment. Search for the different nail shapes and list down the procedures on how to do some of it. So that will be all for today, class. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.